Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Safitri. I come from the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Medan. About the scope of discussion, various countries in the world are currently competing to welcome the maximization of the era of Society 4.0. In this era is characterized by an increase in various connectivity, interaction, development of digital system, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data, and virtual technology. The present of this era of Society 4.0 can fundamentally change the way every human being work and interact. The present is also of course very in line with the increasing data on gadget and internet user from the Indonesian population. Based on the official Kominfo that a survey conducted by the Ministry of Communication and Informatics said the number of Indonesians who use gadget and technology show a percentage of 89%. In addition, data obtained in 2021 that the average Indonesian population live one-third of their life with the internet. Based on this data, many gadget and internet users are dominated by the younger generation, especially students in Indonesia. Reviewing significant data from the use of gadget and the internet from the Indonesian population, this is closely related to the problems of digital literacy in Indonesia because it is the knowledge and ability to use digital technology, communication tools, or network in the process of finding, evaluating, creating information, and using it wisely, intelligently, and appropriately. However, in reality, based on it is stated that this one index in Indonesia is still relatively low at 3.47 from a scale of 1 to 4. Judging from this data, this is certainly closely related to the participation of maximizing the potential of the younger generation. Given the reality, the younger generation in this era is closer to technology from an early age. So in this case, the potential and skill of the younger generation need to be improved, especially in terms of this one so that later they can be wise in using technology. Considering crimes in the digital world are increasingly widespread, such as technology abuse, the problem of the addiction to gadgets without time limits, low knowledge of cybersecurity, and other problems in the digital world. And then is about the number of cases of the younger generation, especially those that involved in the several problems such as hoax, scams, and so on. So, as you know that this digital information has many positive impact, including being able to save time, be more cost-effective, expand network, make better decisions, learn more fast and efficient, obtain the latest information quickly, environmentally friendly, and with skill, and of course digital literacy itself has its own framework such as protection, right, and empowerment. So the formulation of the development target, students will be main target in this application because students are the most productive people who spend a lot of time in their lives going digital. Then the good and the bad student do here really need to be monitored and given knowledge that is very helpful in welcoming Indonesia Goal 2045 later. And analysis to choose how to achieve the target, seeing the urgency of creating innovation to improve digital literacy skill for the younger generation, it is very necessary to strive. Therefore, the authors conducted a survey by distributing questionnaire to 50 respondents with a sample population age 13 until 25 years. Related to the level of digital literacy ability, the use of the internet and gadget need for digital literacy innovation. Because based on this data, there are several things that the writer can analyze. From this data, it can be concluded that the younger generation really need an innovation to improve digital literacy skill. Therefore, the author provide a solution in the form of the knowledge of this one as an innovation to improve digital youth in the era of Society 4.0 towards Golden Indonesia 2045. So, the visualization idea, along with the rapid of the internet, greatly impact the digital literacy aspect of students. As in the result of the analysis of the data collected, it showed that students still really need to be given education related to the given the rise of crime and misuse of technology from various irresponsible parties. And then as we know together, digital literacy needs to be maximized because in addition to it is modern, practical, and educational. Based on the data obtained, it showed that this knowledge is very useful and deserves to be implemented with further development in a wider segment of students. So that's all for me. Hopefully this idea can make the digital literacy in Indonesia will be better. Thanks for all your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.